Hi students, good morning. Welcome to PACE Competitive Academy. Welcome to PACE Competitive Academy. I am Ramanamurthy, Director of PACE Coaching Center. I have 31 years of experience in teaching arithmetic, pure maths and current affairs. So what is the difference between the other coaching center material and my teaching? Yes, simply I am telling you, with this you can understand. If you see the videos or if you are following the other coaching center material or the classes, maybe it may take 1 day to get the job. If you follow my teachings, if you follow my videos, if you follow my app, this is the app PACE Competitive Academy, or if you see my videos in PACE Coaching Center YouTube channel, you will get the job within 6 months. That's the sure. You will get a job within 6 months. Thousands of students have got jobs in various government sectors or PSUs. Okay, so because I teach arithmetic in a logical method, not a trick which is applicable for only one question. Okay, if there are the 40 questions, there are 40 tricks. How you can remember? It's a very difficult one, no? But I am going to tell you it in a logical method. See, today's chapter is time and work. In time and work, we are going to discuss men and women model. Men and women model. If you write a bank, minimum 2 questions you will get. For RRB, it may sometimes 2 to 3 questions it will be. SSC, 6 questions it will be. SI and constable, minimum 2 marks. It's a very important topic. The time and work is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, we are going to discuss men and women model. In the second part, we are going to discuss time and work. Men and women model, 1 mark is compulsory. For SSC, 2 marks is compulsory. So today I am going to tell you 7 to 8 models are there in men and women. If you follow these 7 and 8 models, you will get 1 mark. Very simple. Okay, na? Right. Simple. First model. 20 men can do a work in 70 days. Then 35 men can do the work in how many days? This is the question. There are 3 methods. Some may teach in ratio and proportion. Some may teach by using chain rule method. Usually these 2 methods the teaching faculty will follow. That's the traditional methods. But I am telling you it is a logical method. That is third one, logical method. This is the logical method. This is my shortcut. Logical method. That is man days model or women days model. Women days or boys days. Boy days. What is that? Man days means man into days. Woman days means woman into days. Boy days means boy into days. That's all. Man days means man into days. Woman days means woman into days. Boy days means boy into days. For example, woman into days, if men into day divided by men, what you will get? Days. If you divide this one by woman, you will get day. If you divide this one by boy, you will get the day. Sometimes what you will do, no, you will give the days. If you divide it by days, what you will get? Men. Simple logic. Whether he is asking the days, then you have to divide it by men or woman or a boy, whatever may be. Or if you want days, then you have to divide it by men. If you want men, you have to divide it by days. That's all. Okay, now solve this. With simple one step, you will get the answer. Okay, by using what method and a logical method. UVR logical method. Okay, then man days. That is 20 men into 70 days is man days. By if you divide it by 35 men cancel. 35 twos are 22s are how many days? 40 days. That's all. It's a logic. No need of ratio proportion. No need to know the inverse proportion. Man or days are inverse proportion. So that is not required. Directly you can do it. A layman can also do it by applying the logical method. Okay, now we will do the second model in it. Second model. 40 men can do it can do it in 120 days. To finish the same work in 80 days, how many men are required? How many men are required? See, this total question right here. 40 men can do the work in 120 days. To finish the work in 80 days, how many men are required? This days and days should be one side and men should be one side. Okay now? What is the question? Man days. Man days means 40 men into 120 days by 80 days. DD cancel. 42s are 260s are. So what is the answer? 60 men. That's all. So the answer is 60 men. If you divide it by the days, you will get the men. If you divide it by the days, you will get the men. The second model is over. The second model is over. Now come to the third model. Third model. Third model. 60 men, let us say women. 60 women can do a work in 80 days. To finish the same work. To finish the same work in 30 days. How many more men are required? How many more men are required? This is the question. See this. How many more men are required? 60 women can do a work in 80 days. Let us write it. 60 men can do a work in 80 days. To finish the same work in 30 days, how many more men are required? Now what I am doing is, first of all I am finding how many men are required. First you find how many men are required. What is the shortcut for it? 60 men into 80 days by 30 days. Days cancel, 32s are. Days cancel, 32s are. 280s are. How much? 280s are. 160. 160 men are required. So original 60 men are there. Now we need 160 men are required. So how many more men are required then? 160 men minus 60 men is equal to 100 men are required. So how many more men are required then? 100 more men are required. So 100 more men are required. This is the second model. This is the second model. Third model is over. Third model is over. Now next model. Now the next model. Very important. Okay now? Next model. See this. 30 men can do a work in 100 days. After 20 days, 10 men joined in how many days? Remaining work will be completed. In how many days? The remaining work will be completed. Okay? There is one simple logic is there. See. First you write 30 men can do a work in 100 days. You observe this. Just opposite to this, I am not writing that 100 days. That's the logic of it. Because after 20 days, for example, from here onwards, maybe today date, let us say, how much? 16. then 20th will be how many days after? 4 days after. Suppose if you ask on 17th, what you will tell? 3 days after. If you ask on 18th, you will tell 2 days after. If you ask on 19th, you will say 1 day. See, on 16th, 4 days after, you will get the 20th. On 17th also, you don't tell the same thing, no? By hearting, you don't tell again 4 days, no? Okay? Which means, whatever the days have gone, from 16th to 17th, how many days have gone? 1 day. So, that's why 4 minus 1, 3 days. So, whatever the days have completed, that you have to subtract first. All of you understand? Whatever the days have already gone, that you have to subtract first. Directly you cannot write the total days here. Whenever you mention after some days, first you subtract those days. That's all. That's the very simple logic. That means how many days you have to subtract now? 20 days you have to subtract from it. Then you have to write 80 days. Then 30 men, 80 days is there. Then what is telling? 10 men joined. 10 men joined means how many men are there then? 40 men, how many days? That's all simple. Already man days model is there. 30 men into 80 days by 40 days. Day cancel, 42s are. So answer is how much then? 60 men are required. 60 men are required. That's all. So in this model, this is maybe the fourth model. What is the logic to observe? Whatever the total days, that you cannot write it directly. Whenever he mentioned after some days, first you subtract those days. The remaining days only you have to write. That's the logic. Okay, na? In this model, now I am going to give you another one more question. In this model, I am going to give you another one more question. What is the logic? Just you tell me. Whatever the days have completed, first we have to subtract those days. Okay, na? See, another question. 80 men can do a work in 200 days. In 200 days. After 60 days, 10 men left. In how many days? Remaining work will be completed. Now see this. You will write this. 80 men, 200 days. Directly we cannot write the days now. After 60 days means first you have to subtract those days. Then it is 140 days. 10 men left. Then how many men are there? 70 men. How many days? So, what is the logic? 80 men into 140 days by 70 men. Men cancel 72, so answer is almost 160 days. So, the answer is 160 days. Simple. With the same one step, you are getting the answer. That's the logic of UVL. That's the logic of Ramanamurthy. That's the PACE Competitive Academy. You download the app of PACE Competitive Academy, you will get the tricks. So many logic you will get like this. Yeah, PACE Competitive Academy from Google Store. This is my PACE Coaching Center, is my YouTube channel. Okay, now you subscribe it. First, you subscribe it. Okay, now next model. Next model I am telling you. 100 men can do a work in 150 days. After 20 days, don't say 20 days. After 50 days, to finish the same work after 50 days, to finish the same work in 50 days, how many more men are required? Important question. How many more men are required? See, don't confuse. Just simple, you follow the logic. First you write 100 men can do a work in 150 days. After 50 days, how many days are left now? 100 days. After 50 days, to finish the same work in 50 days only. Whatever is given, let us write that. Give the 50 days only. How many more men are required? So what is the one shortcut? 100 men into 100 days by 50 days. So days cancel, 52s are. Then 200 men is done. But already how many men are there? 100 men were already there. So how many extra men are required then? 100 extra men are required. So the answer is 100 men. You understand? That's the logic, yeah. You do it by logic, you will get the questions like this. You will get the questions like this. Don't confuse the questions. By reading the question, you write these steps. 100 men, 150 days. After 50 days. Sir is telling first you subtract the number of days which were already gone. So 100 days. So to finish the work in 50 days, how many men are required? By applying our logic, mandates logic, we are getting 200 men. But already 100 men are there. So extra how many men are required now? 100 extra men are required. That's very good. Now we will see another question. What the next model in men and women model is? Till now, we did with only men or women or boys. But now, there will be men and women. There will be men, women, both. We will see that. Okay? In that first question, 2 men or 3 women can do a work. 2 men or 3 women can do a work in 60 days. In 60 days. Ten men started the work. 10 men started the work. After 40 days, they left. Remaining work will be finished by 6 women in how many days? Very important question. You put 3 stars for this question. Okay, December 15th in RRB exam, definitely you will get this question. Very important question. What this is given? 2 men or 3 women can do a work in 60 days. 2 men or 3 women can do a work in 60 days. 2 men, they can do it in 60 days. The same work can be finished by 3 women in 60 days. And the work done by 2 men is equal to the work done by 3 women. Which means is equal to. Simple logic I am telling you. Whenever there is R, you put is equal to. Whenever there is and, you put plus. That's a simple logic. Whenever there is an R between them, which means it is equal to 2 men equal to 3 women equal to 60 days. Now come to the question. 10 men started the work. After 40 days they left. So what the confusion that we are getting in this question is, in the previous question either we are getting man into days, man days. Only women are there, so we are getting women days. But here there are men and women. Sir, which days you have to convert? Whether we have to convert into man days or whether we have to convert into women days. Whether we have to convert into man days or whether we have to convert into women days. Because both are given here. For that I am telling you one logic. Whoever started the work, you convert into those days. What I am telling? Whoever started the work, you find those days. If it is started by men, you find man days. If it is started by women, then you calculate the women days. See, who have started here? Men started. So let us start. Let us find man days. See this question, very important. 2 men into 60 days is equal to what? 120 man days. This means this work equal to 120 man days. Whenever 120 man days will be completed, then the work will be completed. That is the meaning of it. Whenever 120 man days will be completed, then the work will be completed. Okay, now we will see this. Who started work? 10 men. How many days they worked? 40 days. 10 men, sorry, not 40 days. 4 days we write. Okay, sorry. You just change it. Okay, 10 men have worked for 4 days. 10 men have worked for 4 days means how many man days were completed? 40 man days were completed. Still, how many man days are required for us? Still 80 man days are required. But now what is telling? After 4 days, they left. After 10 men, total 10 men have left. Now who have come? 6 women have come. 6 women has to finish this work. See, already I tell you, man into days, if you divide it by women, you don't get anything. Because here it is the man days, here it is the woman. If you divide it by 6, you won't get because it was in women. So, man into days, if you divide it by men only, you will get the days. This is the logic you observe. Man into days, if you divide it by men only, you will get the days. But it was given women, no. That means we have to convert this woman into men. So here it was given 3 women equal to how many men? 2 men. Then 6 women equal to how many men? 4 men. So 6 women is nothing but 4 men. Which means if you divide this one by 4 men, you will get the answer. Men cancel. So answer is what? 20 days. Very simple. This is only the step. This was already given in the question. No need to write it. Just you understand, no? If you understand this question, no, you can reduce the steps. See, it is very simple logic. Otherwise, what you have to do is, then 10 men in 4 days, how much work they have done? First you have to find it. Then what is the total work? In that you have to subtract. Then this work will be done by 6 women in how many days? You have to find like that. It's a, if you see any book, any textbook like that, it will take 8 to 10 steps. This we are doing it in a second or third step itself. First who started? 2 men or 3 women can do a work, but it was started by men first. That's why first you convert into man days. So 2 men know 60 days. 2 men into 60 days is 120 man days. But in the beginning, 10 men have worked for 4 days. 10 men into 4 is 40 man days. So 40 man days were already completed. So still 80 man days are required. This 80 man days must be finished by 6 women. This man days we cannot divide it by women. That's why convert this woman into men. 6 women equal to how many men? Already it was given 3 women equal to 2 men. 6 women equal to 3 twos are no, so 2 twos are. 3 twos are no, so 2 twos are. So it is nothing but 4 men. If you divide it by 4 men, men cancel. So answer is 4 20s are. So answer is 20 days. We will do another one more question based on this. We will do one more question based on this. Four men or 5 women can do a work in 100 days. 4 men or 5 women can do a work in 100 days. Okay, na? Right? Twenty women started the work. After 15 days, they left. Remaining work finished by. Remaining work finished by 8 men in how many days? This is the question. Now let us solve it. 4 men or 5 women can do a work in 100 days. Who started the women have started now. First women have started it. Women have started. Okay, now that's why you have to find the women days. So 5 women into 100 days equal to 500 women days. Now 20 women have worked for 15 days. 20 women have worked for 15 days. So 300 women days were completed. So still 200 women days are required. Now who is doing this job? 8 men. So here is the women days. We cannot divide this one by men, no. That's why we have to convert this 8 men equal to how many women? 4 twos are. So 5 twos are how much? 10 women. So 8 men equal to 10 women. You divide this one by 10 women. Women cancel. 10 20s are. So what is the answer? 20 days. That's all. It's a very simple logic you have to apply. Okay, ma'am. The next model. You download the app PACE Competitive Academy. There you will find a lot of videos with the tricks, logical tricks. Okay, the next model I am going to tell you now. 3 men or 4 women can do a work in 40 days. Can do a work in 40 days. Five men started the work. After 6 days. 5 men started the work. After 6 days, 2 men left and 8 women joined. In how many days? Remaining work will be completed. See, this is the model, next model. I will tell you what is the difference between the previous model and this model. First we write 3 men or 4 women can do a work in how many days? 40 days. Who started the work? 5 men started the work. The men have started the work. That's why we have to convert into man days. So 3 men into 40 days equal to 120 man days. 120 man days required. So first, how many? 5 men have started the work and after 6 days 2 men left. So 5 men have worked for 6 days, no? Then how many man days were completed? 30 man days were completed. Still how many man days are required for us? 90 man days are required. Now out of 5 men, 2 men left and still there are 3 men and they joined by how many women? 8 women. That's all. In the previous question, whatever the men have started, the total men have left. In some men were left and still there are 3 men are there. Still there are 3 men are there. With the 3 men are accompanied by another 8 women. See, this you divided by men, then you will get the answer days. But it was men and women. This total we have to convert into men only, then only we can divide this one. So that's right. This is already in men, no need to convert it. Now convert 8 women equal to how many men? 4 2s are, 3 2s are how much? 6 men. So 3 men plus 6 men is how many men? 9 men. If you divide this one by 9 men, what is the answer then? 10 days, that's all. And whatever the way you will do the question, you can do it in a trick method. You can do it in a simple shortcut method. Again I am repeating. Yes, given that 3 men or 4 women can do a work in 40 days. 3 men, because the men have started the work, that's why we have to convert it into man days. 3 men into 40 days is 120 man days. Then 5 men have started, they worked for 6 days, so 30 man days were completed and still 90 man days are required. Now what he is telling is, out of 5 men, 2 men left and still 3 men are there. With them, 8 women were accompanied. Here we know the man days. That's why you have to divide this one by men. That's why you convert this 8 women into men. So 4 women equal to 3 men. So 8 women equal to how many men? 4 2s are, 3 2s are. So 6 men. 3 men plus 6 men is 9 men. If you divide it by 9 men, you will get the 10 days. Still there are the models. In the next video, we will complete the remaining them. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to download the app from Google Store, PACE Competitive Academy, and also subscribe to PACE Coaching Center YouTube channel. Thank you very much.